The MaineTracking Network is Maine's go-to source for reliable public health data. Watch this video for a quick introduction on making the most of this site.
The MaineTracking Network is a free, easy-to-use website that tracks health and environmental data over time. This helps keep Mainers healthy. It's the only place in Maine to find local data from tick-borne disease to childhood lead poisoning to air quality. It's all in one place, making it simple for anyone to find and use data for their public health research projects, planning, and other activities.
The MaineTracking Network combines a variety of environmental and health data in one website. The site makes it easy to compare town, county, age, gender, and years to spot differences across the data.
Environmental health is a key aspect of public health. Tracking and monitoring these data means we can use it to design, implement, and evaluate public health activities and interventions.
Access to good data is always important. That's why MaineTracking provides accurate, up-to-date information. It helps health organizations, advocates, and community members take action to make their communities healthier. The MaineTracking Network works with partners across the state to share data and expertise. We're building a portal for everyone, not just the experts. You can use it to learn about health issues and trends in your own city or town.
The MaineTracking Network is always improving using new data and technology to make public health information available for data in action. The site makes a difference in the lives of all Mainers.
Now let's break down how the MaineTracking Network can work for you. Note there's a variety of topics. I'm going to use air quality to quickly highlight features you'll want to explore. When you enter a topic area, you'll find a basic description along with a list of what data are available. Notice there's a widget in the upper right. That will highlight advisories, if there are any, for air quality. Next, you'll see we've divided things into near real-time, forecast, historical, tables, and about the data. Let's take a look at current air quality. I'm showing you a map of real-time monitoring sites for air pollution. These are color-coded by air quality index. When you hover over a monitor location, you'll find specific text describing the value that's being mapped. I'll show you some more things you can do with this map. The legend on the right can be used to highlight values on the map by category. I can zoom in or out on the map. And if I want to show general patterns, I'll turn on the color contours. For more detail on what the measurements mean and where they come from, I can click the tab About the Data. When I go back to the Near Real-Time tab, the map is exactly where I left it. There's always a Help button here, and that shows basic how-tos as well as some tips and tricks. Here's one tip. If you want a larger view, you can click a full screen button at the bottom. In the Forecast tab, I can find today's forecast or tomorrow's air quality forecast. And if I'm looking for the forecast that applies to a particular town, I can search for it. It highlights on the map, which makes it easier to find, and then I can see tomorrow's air quality forecast. In the Historical tab, I can look at data for these pollutants going back decades and see how things have changed over time. Not only can it look at data over many years, I can see the daily values for any single year. Clicking the Tables tab, I can use this tool to find particular values or download a particular set of data.
Whether you're a professional or a concerned resident, the MaineTracking Network is there for you, your partner in health. It's efficient, user-friendly, and supports critical work across Maine. Explore the MaineTracking Network today for all your public health data needs.